Now that the holidays are over, it's time to get started on those New Year resolutions. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams. And if moving is on your list of goals for 2023, then we should talk soon. Motivated buyers are coming out of the woodwork in March and April, so now is the time to start planning for your spring sale. Considering, here's 3 questions every homeowner should ask themselves. First, is now the right time to sell? Second, what happens if I wait? Third, what is my best case scenario? Now, having a conversation doesn't mean you're committed to sell, it just means that you're committed to be prepared with a winning strategy when the time is right for you. It's a pleasure being Kansas City's resource for your home goals. Reach out today if I can be of assistance to you or someone that you care about. Call at 913-449-1950. Happy New Year's.